I'm going to show you how to change the battery on the key fob or the key of your Nissan Versa. This works for a variety of other Nissans as well. Maybe the battery's gone bad and this is the key that you have. This one is for a Nissan, and this works for a variety of Nissan models. You're going to turn this over, and on the back side you're going to see there's a little set screw, and you're just going to take a small Phillips screwdriver, unscrew this. Once that screws out, keep track of that, we don't want to lose that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to see this little slot right here. You're just going to take a straight or flathead screwdriver, a smaller one, and you're going to poke it in there, and this one fits in there nicely. And then you're just going to twist, and you'll hear it pop, and it's free. And there's your battery. So now that you're here, you can just put your screwdriver in here, pop that battery out. And this battery is a CR1620, so you'll just get a new one of those. Now you're going to take your new battery and pop it in place. And you're going to line up your key. Once you have your key lined up, you're just going to come around and squeeze it into place. Once it's popped into place, you're going to go out, test it, make sure it works. Yep, it's working. And then you're going to put that set screw back in, and you'll tighten that down, and you're all done. Hopefully this helps. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.